Hi viewers, welcome to Shaker's Bio Factory for NEET. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notification. In this video, I am going to explain one of the topic in photosynthesis in higher plants. It is photosystem and electron transport mechanism. Photosynthesis is a biochemical reaction and it is carried out by green color plants only. In this photosynthesis, whenever the light energy it reaches the leaf, at this time leaf it gets carbon dioxide from atmosphere, water from soil, and these carbon dioxide it will be converted into carbohydrates by receiving hydrogen from water. After completion of photosynthesis, from water, oxygen is released into atmosphere as a byproduct. It is called mechanism of photosynthesis. But this process of photosynthesis, it not occur in a simple way. To understand the mechanism of photosynthesis, the entire process of photosynthesis can be classified into two main steps in this. The first step is called light reaction or photochemical phase. And the second reaction is called dark reaction or biosynthesis phase. In this, the first phase is light reaction or photochemical phase. The photosynthesis reactions which occur by the involvement of light energy are called light reactions. And these light reactions it includes various steps like light absorption is also called electron transport. The second step is water splitting and releasing of oxygen is called photolysis of water. And the third step is photophosphorylation. So in this, the first step is light absorption that leads to electron transport. So during photosynthesis, the light absorption it is carried out by the membrane of thylakoid because this membrane of thylakoid it consists of photosynthetic pigments in the form of photosystems. These pigments present in photosystem are organized into photochemical light harvesting complexes simply called as LHC within PS1 and PS2. PS1 is called photosystem 1, PS2 is called photosystem 2. The photosystem 1 PS1 and photosystem 2 PS2 these are generally named in a sequence based on their discovery. And for PS1 is discovered first and later PS2 is discovered, but both are not work in a sequence according to their function during light reaction. The light harvesting complex present in photosystem, these are made up of hundreds of pigments and these are binded to protein molecules. Each photosystem in its structure, it consists of two main parts in this. The first part is antennae and second part is reaction center. The first part antennae. In photosystem, the antennae it play an important role and this antennae is made up of all pigments except chlorophyll A. That means the antennae consist of chlorophyll B pigment, xanthophylls and carotenoids, but this antennae not consist of chlorophyll A molecule and it forms light harvesting system. It is called antennae. So the pigments present in antennae are helpful to make photosynthesis more efficient by absorbing different wavelength of light. And the second part is reaction center. So the single pigment, it is a chlorophyll A molecule, it present in reaction center and this reaction center is different in both photosystems. In this, the photosystem 1 It consists of a reaction center with chlorophyll A, and these chlorophyll A molecule have a nature to absorb the light which consists of 700 nanometers, so that the reaction center present in PS1 is named as P700. At the same time, one more photosystem, it is called photosystem 2. In this photosystem 2, the reaction center consists of chlorophyll A molecule. It have ability to absorb the light which consists of 680 nanometer, so that the reaction center present in PS2, it is named as P680. In this way, both PS1 and PS2, it consists of reaction center like P700 and P680 respectively. With the help of this photosystem, the electron transport mechanism take place. In this electron transport mechanism, the light reaction of photosynthesis, generally it is initiated by absorbing of light energy and electron transport, so that the electron transport is considered as the first step in light reaction. In electron transport, first photosystem 2 is participated. In this photosystem 2, the reaction center have ability to absorb 680 nanometer sunlight consist of red light, and after absorbing this light energy, immediately the reaction center chlorophyll A molecule get excited. Due to this excited state, it lost one electron. This electron is jumped into an orbit further from the atomic nucleus. So the electron which is released from reaction center of PS2, it was picked or collected by electron acceptor called primary acceptor, and this primary acceptor which pass this electron to electron transport system, it is called cytochrome. So this movement of electron, it is considered as downhill, because during the transportation of electron from P680 primary acceptor and primary acceptor to cytochrome, it occur by the process of oxidation and reduction, is also called redox potential scale, is called downhill. The electrons are not still present in cytochrome, because the electrons are then passed to the pigments of photosystem 1 without being used, as they pass through electron transport chain. In next step, simultaneously the electron, when it reach cytochrome complex structure, at this time the reaction center present in PS1 is called P700. It absorbs 700 nanometer sunlight, and after absorbing this sunlight, here also the reaction center get excited state and lost one electron, and this electron is accepted by primary electron acceptor present in PS1. At this time, the greater redox potential takes place, and due to having of one electron deficiency in P700 of PS1, the electron which is present in cytochrome, it is supplied to P700, and this P700 get satisfied after receiving electron. Now the electron, it is accepted by primary acceptor with greater redox potential. So then this electron which is present in primary acceptor, again with the downhill process, it is transferred to NADP plus, and this NADP plus, after adding this electron, it will be reduced into NADPH plus H plus. With this process, finally NADPH plus is formed after completion of electron transport. So during this electron transport, the entire process of electron transport, it starts from PS2 with uphill, and then the acceptor to cytochrome with a downhill, and finally the electron reached to reaction center of PS1, and due to excited state, the electron again it is transferred to electron acceptor. Finally, with downhill, it reach NADP plus. Whenever the electron is transferred from reaction center of PS2 to cytochrome to reaction center of PS1, and finally it reach NADP plus, then NADP plus it reduced into NADPH plus H plus. Now the entire process of electron transport it take place in Z scheme. So that this type of non-cyclic electron transport is called Z scheme pathway. So it is the process of electron transport mechanism in light reaction of photosynthesis. Finally, due to electron transport, NADP H plus molecule it is formed in stroma of chloroplast. Thanks for watching.